So in the recent times, right from the beginning of this year, 2023, we've seen a whole lot of DeFi projects that came on board, and almost all of them, they got rug pulled, as in, like, we lost a whole lot of money in DeFi projects this year. But there's this particular project that I came in about 2 months ago that's been going and is holding it very strong. And the name of that project is called ARK Finance. Okay, you can call it ARK as well. This project, ARK Finance, actually pays 2%, up to 2% daily. And the most striking thing about this project is that is docs certified by CETIC. You and I know that CETIC is one of the major player when it comes to auditing and doxing of projects in the DeFi space. So this project is one project that actually caught my attention, and I've been earning consistently in this project. Okay. The project, if you come down here, you're going to see, you can see the liquidity of the project, $1.2 million. Okay, that's the money in the contract. If you go to Monarch, even if you go to Monarch, you can see this is it here, ARK. They have $1.2 million in their contract. So there is no fear of whatsoever whether the project is going to pay you or not. Okay. Now, one other beautiful thing I like about the project is that these are the guys behind the project. Okay. So these are real human. These are guys that are docs, that their face are out there for everybody to see. Right. So you can see Atlas, you can see Brett. Let me just scroll down and show you. You can see all of them here. They are the one behind this project. You can read a whole lot about them, read about their background. I'm going to be dropping the link to ARK FINANCE in the description of this video, so you can click on that link and come up here and read about this project. Okay, let me quickly go to my own dashboard and show you some things. Okay, now there are three different ways you can actually earn in this project. One, let me quickly show you that you can earn through the votes, this ARK vote. You can earn through this ARK vote. You can earn through this ARK Foundation, and you can also earn through this legacy NFT. Okay. Now, the beauty about this legacy NFT and this ARK Foundation is that you have the opportunity of winning some of their giveaways. Let me quickly show you some of their giveaways here. If you scroll down here, you can see these pack winners. Okay. These are some of guys they randomly pick and they gift them this ARK. Now, this ARK is the coin of ARK Finance. Okay, so they randomly pick these guys and they give them this gift. So if you are holding on to this legacy finance, okay, if you buy into this legacy finance or this ARK Foundation, you have the opportunity of earning. Okay, now this ARK vote is where my money is, because I'm very sure of the 2%, up to the 2% daily from this particular one. So now let me quickly log in into my accounts. Then I'm going to be showing you that. Okay, let me go to the vault here. Okay, here you can see all the figures of the projects. Okay, so here on my vault, see, I came into this project. Let me quickly show you. Here you can, this is, you can see I have 22.96 ARK here. Okay, the ARK is the coin of the project, which is pegged at 5.7. Now, if you want to change it to USD, okay, so that you see your value in real-time USD here, then you can, if I come down here, you can see this is my deposited amount of money. Okay, you can see that I deposited 243 BUSD here. Right now, if you come up here, you're going to see that I have principal balance of 347. Now, it's like that because I've been compounding also and taking profits, right? So you can see I've compounded 100 BUSD. So if you add this 103 BUSD to this 243 deposited fund, you're going to get this principal here. Okay, now you can see I'm entitled to earn up to ×3 of my principal balance. Okay, so with this amount of money that I have as my principal balance, I'm entitled to earn up to $1,000. Okay, so you can see over $1,000 here. That is what I'm going to be earning. Okay, and I've withdrawn 111 BUSD already. Okay, now the beauty of this project is that every single day you are assured of earning. Like for me, you can see I decided to put my compound, whatever I earn here, which every day I earn about 7 BUSD. I compound 50% of it and I withdraw 50% of it. Okay, so you can see as this timer gets counts down, okay, when this timer elapses, then I'm going to come down here, going to click on this allocate, and the money is going to go directly into my MetaMask. Okay. So for you to come into this project, all you need is just make sure that you have your MetaMask, or you have your Trust Wallet, and you have BUSD in your account balance. Then you'll be able to connect your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet, and you come into this project and you begin to earn in this project. Okay, you can see my daily reward here up to 2% here, right? You can see 2% here. So the project is a very good project. If you are looking for a sustainable DeFi project, I think this is the project. It's been running for almost 3 months now without any hiccup. There's never been a day I come for withdrawal and I had any challenge. Okay, the withdrawal actually goes through whenever you place your withdrawal. It's automatic, goes through. Okay, so I just thought I should give this show you this project because I think it's one of the best projects in the DeFi space now. Okay, having said that, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, all I've said is not a financial advice for you, right? I'm just showing you the project that I'm involved in. Okay, so do your own due diligence if you want to put in your money into any of those projects. Okay, I want to say thank you for taking your time to watch this video. You take care of yourself, and bye-bye.